Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I love cooking with my cast iron skillet, but did you know that you can use it also for making cookies? Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna make some Skillet Nutella chocolate chip cookies. If you don't know what I'm talking about and if you want to see what I mean, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So if you love Nutella and chocolate, then this recipe is just for you. I'm going to start off by adding 1 stick of soft room temperature unsalted butter into a large bowl and a half a cup of light brown sugar, also a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and also 1 large egg, and make sure that's at room temperature as well. And just take your whisk and mix everything until your wet ingredients is smooth. So I'm done mixing up my wet ingredients, so now I'm going to set it to the side and put together the dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And that's it, and you just mix those ingredients really well. And now you just add the dry and wet ingredients together, and you just take a spatula and just mix both until you form the perfect cookie dough. Now once the cookie dough is nice and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips along with a half a cup of chopped walnuts. And just take a spatula and fold it into the cookie dough. Nutella time! Love me some Nutella. And all I'm going to do is just take out a cup of Nutella and I'm going to zap it in the microwave for around 30 seconds. And while that's going, let's go ahead and build our skillet cookie. So I have my cast iron skillet and I'm just going to spray it quickly with some nonstick spray because I'm going to cover it with some parchment paper and it just helps to stick to the bottom. So now you just want to take half of the cookie dough and you want to add it to the skillet, and then you just want to take a spoon or a knife and just spread a thin layer on the bottom of the skillet. And now you want to take your melted Nutella, add it, and spread it on top of the cookie dough. And now you want to take the other half of the cookie dough and layer it and spread it on top of the Nutella. And at the very end, you just want to top it off with some more semi-chocolate chips and some chopped walnuts. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 350 degrees and you're going to bake it off for 25 minutes. And while that bakes off, I have something to tell you guys. Okay, enough gatekeeping. I'm just going to tell you guys what's going on. And yes, I do wear glasses and I don't like to wear them on camera too much because you can see that the lights hit the lens and I just don't like that. But quick story, these are my emergency glasses. The glasses I had before, I accidentally broke them and I really need glasses because I can't see far away, especially when I drive. And when I broke them, I realized that I need glasses really fast. It was an emergency because I can't see far away, especially when I drive. So when I went around to other stores, I realized that I would probably have to pay around $150 to $200 on a new pair of glasses. I had to do it because, again, I needed some glasses. And I ended up paying the money because I needed them really bad. But it's been 10 years, and don't get me wrong, I really like my glasses. But after 10 years, it's time to upgrade. This is when I have to thank Firmoo for reaching out to me. It's an online optical store and wanted to know if I wanted to collaborate and try some of their products. And of course, I said, absolutely. So Firmoo just sent my glasses in the mail, and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera, and I have to say, you guys, I was so pleasantly surprised. They are perfect. They're the ones that I picked out online. They felt very sturdy and well made and very lightweight also, because I know when I like to wear glasses, I never like to feel like I have any glasses on, so I was very pleased. So just go on the Firmoo website and shop around, and you'll notice a variety of styles to choose from, both prescription and sunglasses. And let's not forget about the kiddos. Plenty of affordable children's glasses that you can pick and choose from, and guess what? You don't have to break the bank. And for those inquiring minds that really want to know, these are my glasses that I picked. You can see the serial number, and I like the black matte gunmetal. And yes, there are men's glasses. I tend to gravitate towards the men's glasses. But when I put them on, you guys, I really love the look, and everything was perfect. And I really love the ones that I picked out. It was kind of hard because they had a variety to choose from. If I knew about Firmoo 10 years ago in the middle of an emergency, I could have bought a quality pair of glasses at an affordable price. So once again, thank you so much for Firmoo for reaching out to me, and I will leave everything in the description box down below. And you guys, don't forget to click that link. They were so kind enough, they gave you guys a discount code so you can browse around, shop around, and buy some beautiful affordable glasses. So after 25 minutes of baking in the oven, this is what the skillet cookie looks like. And are you kidding me, you guys? Look how good that looks. I mean, I can't even wait. I'm gonna go ahead and cut me a piece. It's nice and warm, and look how gooey it looks. And you can even see the Nutella in the center of the cookie. Just a fantastic dessert, and you can enjoy it with your favorite ice cream. But I had some whipped cream, so I went ahead and I topped it off with some whipped cream. And I looked in my pantry and I noticed I had some cocoa powder, and I went ahead and I sprinkled that on top because I'm a little extra. But it is so good, you guys. You absolutely have to give it a try, especially if you love Nutella and chocolate. This is the perfect dessert just for you. But we are done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, and you really should, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.